Hello students. So now today I am going to start that what is the chemical reaction, and after that we understand that how we write the chemical equation, and what is the chemical reaction and what is the chemical equation. So before discussing about that what is the chemical equation, we discuss about some basic terms such as what is the chemical reaction, and after that what is the reactant and what is the product. So first of all, we discussed here what is the chemical reaction. So in previous classes we have already discussed about the different type of the chemical changes and the physical changes, and some reversible changes and irreversible changes. So in the chemical reaction, if we talk about the chemical reaction, so chemical reaction is also a chemical change in which one or more than one substance, or we can say the more than one new substance is formed, that is known as the chemical reaction. So once I repeat that what is the chemical reaction. So if we talk about the definition of the chemical reaction, so chemical reaction is a chemical change in which one or more than one new substance is formed. Okay, so we write here the definition of the chemical reaction. So what is the chemical reaction? Chemical reaction. Okay, so what is the chemical reaction? So chemical reaction is a chemical change in which one or more than one substance, or we can say the new substance formed. Okay, so what is the chemical reaction? So chemical reaction is a chemical change in which one or more than one new substances is formed. So the next question is arises that some substances is participated in the chemical reaction. So the substance which is participated in the chemical reaction, so what is the name of that substances which is participated in the chemical reaction? And after that the next question is arises that the substances which is participated in the chemical reaction, so the new substances is formed. So what is the name of the new substances that is formed in the chemical reaction? So if we talk about that question, so we discussed about what is the reactant and what is the product. So first of all we discussed about the what is the reactant. So we write here the definition of the reactant. So what is the reactant? So reactant is the substance which is participated in the chemical reaction. Okay, and if we talk about the product, so what is the product? So product are those substances which we achieved after the chemical reaction. So now we write here the definition of the reactant. So what is the definition of the reactant? So what is the reactant? So reactant is the substance which is participated into the chemical reaction. So we write here reactant. So reactant is the substance which is participated in the chemical and reaction. Okay, so what is the reactant? So reactants is the substance which is participated in the chemical reaction, that is known as the reactant. And after that if we talk about the product, so what is the product? Product is the substance which we achieved after the chemical reaction. Okay, or we can say that which we gets after the chemical reaction, that is known as the product. So we write here the definition of the product. So what is the products? Products is the substance, we write here the substances or the substance which we achieve after the chemical reaction. Okay, so the substance which we achieve after the chemical reaction that is known as the product. Okay, so here we understand that what is the chemical reaction. So chemical reaction is a chemical change in which one or more than the one new substance is formed, that is known as the chemical reaction. And after that, reactant. So what is the reactant? Reactant is the substance which is participated in the chemical reaction. Okay, now the next one is the product. So what is the product? Product is the substance which we achieved after the chemical reaction, that is known as the product. Now the next, the main heading is that what is the chemical equation. So if we talk about the definition of the chemical equation, so chemical equation is the shorthand representation of the chemical reaction. Once I repeat that what is the chemical equation. So chemical equation is the shorthand representation of the chemical reaction in which we use the symbols of the element, molecules and compounds. Okay, so we write here the definition of the chemical equation. Okay, so chemical equation. So what is the chemical equation? So chemical equation is the shorthand representation of the chemical equation is the shorthand representation of the chemical reaction. Okay, in which the formula or we can say the symbol is used of the element and molecule, or we can say the and compounds. Okay, in which we use the formula or we can say the symbols of the element, molecules and compound, that is known as the chemical equation. So what is the chemical equation? So chemical equation is the shorthand representation of the chemical reaction, and in which we use the formula of the symbols is of the element, molecules and the compound, that is known as the chemical equation. Now next the question is that how we write the chemical equation. So we write here some terms by which we can write the chemical equation. Okay, so we can erase it. Now the next one is chemical equation. Next one is the how we write the chemical equation. Write, or we can say how we write the chemical equation. Okay, the next question is that how we write the chemical equation. So as we previously already discussed that what is the symbols of the element and what is the molecules and atomicity, and after that we have already discussed about the valencies. So for writing the chemical equation, the symbol of the element or we can say the molecules or compound is used. So first of all, to write the chemical equation we use the plus sign in LHS. So we write here LHS. So in LHS we write the reactant. In LHS we use the reactant by using, we write here by using plus sign. Okay, in LHS we write the reactant by using plus sign. And if we talk about in RHS, so in RHS we write the product. Okay, So what is the product? Product are those which we achieved after the chemical reaction. So in RHS we write the product by using plus sign if it is required. Okay. So in RHS we write the product, and in middle we use an arrow, and the arrowhead represent the product. Okay. So in LHS we write the reactant by using the plus sign, and in RHS we write the product. Okay. So if we talk about first step, so in first step, first of all we write the word equation. Okay, we write word equation. So what is the word equation? Word equation are those in which we directly not use the symbol of that element or compound or the molecules. We write firstly word in words, and after that in the second step we write the symbols of the element or compound or the molecules. Okay. So now we take an examples. Now suppose we take magnesium, and magnesium is react with oxygen, and then is we achieved the magnesium oxide. Okay. So magnesium is react with oxygen. So what is the magnesium? Magnesium is participated in the chemical reaction, so it is a reactant. Okay. And oxygen is also reactant because it is participated into the chemical reaction. So we reactant. Oxygen is also reactant, and after that what we will achieve? So magnesium oxide we achieved. So it is product of the chemical equation which we will get after the chemical reaction, and arrowhead is represent the product, and plus sign is used for writing the reactant. Okay, so that is the reactant, and this format is known as the word equation. Okay, so magnesium and oxygen and magnesium oxide, firstly we write in the word, and after that we use the chemical symbol or of that element. Okay, in this second step we write the chemical symbol of element, or we can say the molecule or compound. Okay, so if we write here magnesium, so magnesium is represented by Mg, and oxygen, so oxygen is represented by O2, and then we achieve magnesium oxide, so Mg and O. Okay, so in this way we can write the chemical equation. Okay, so this is the here we understand that how we write the chemical equation. Okay, so now here we see that oxygen, here two molecules, two atoms of the oxygen, and here only one atom of the oxygen. So how it can be solved? So in next class we understand that how we write the balanced equation, and we understand what is the balanced equation. So thanks for watching my video.